Parkour. 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 I should probably put these pillows back. First, I gotta move this stuff. Yeah, so not only is it a gorgeous day, but I actually have a whole new shipment of new bike stuff. Everything from helmets to new riding pants. Oh my god, I'm so out of breath, that's so stupid. So yeah, unboxing of new stuff. Super excited to check it out. Let's get started. First up is this guy. Is this recording? Yes. Anyway, so here we go. Box number 1 is open, and here's what I got. I got some, I think they're are they Joe Rocket? No. Well, they're riding jeans. Kevlar jeans. Yeah, these are pretty sweet. Pretty much exactly what I was hoping they were gonna be. I'm just excited to try out a new pair of pants, riding jeans. Yeah, they're pretty nice. I got these on clearance.
We have clearance, Clarence.
So these are from AGV Sport, model name Apex, something like that. Try these on in a bit. The next thing I got, throw that over there, are these Joe Rocket Super Street RX-14 riding boots. I've never had a great pair of riding boots, and I've gone through several, and I've just never liked any that I've found. I have a good feeling about these. I don't know why. So here you go. These are what I'm talking about. Right now I have these like loosey-goosey sort of Harley style riding boots, and they're good, but they don't feel necessarily protective. They're certainly not armored. They're not like reinforced or supported. They're just basically leather boots. They're called riding boots, but they're on the lower. I think I just heard a motorcycle in the distance. So yeah, let's check these things out. They got a ratchet tightener here. They got a Velcro flap here. Yeah, we'll just put that over there. Velcro strap, or I should say Velcro flap there with a Velcro zipper, and then a zipper down the side. Yeah, these are pretty sweet. They look like they could be big and boxy, but they are my size. Yeah, those are pretty cool. I guess we'll put those over here. Kind of like I made an effort to make this look nice. All right, next up is a huge box. Oh, I knocked my jeans down. Let's get this big box opened and out of here. So yeah, if it isn't obvious yet, the next thing on the docket, well, you know what? Let's wait on these. Let's check out the other pair of boots I got, because yes, I did buy 2 pairs of boots in case one worked and one didn't, or I liked one more than the other, whatever. So these are TCX boots. So let's check these things out. Now, these are pretty cool. So the one thing that I thought was hilarious about these is they have Michelin developed soles or tread or whatever, which makes sense because your feet are touching the road surface when you're on a bike. So let's check these things out. That's a good spot. So they're much smaller, but the thing I'm not hugely loving about these is they kind of look like booties, as in like booties. They look like these almost have the same shape as a couple pair of booty things that Julie has. The other thing that really sort of made me hesitant about these is that they have laces. I've had some issues with laces. I've heard some horror stories about laces. That doesn't mean laces are evil, but I just have my preference, which is no laces.
Laces out.
So the fact that these have laces, those are long laces, and you got the strap thing that would go over them, I just don't like that as much. Other than that, I guess, and the booty sort of appearance, I like them, but I think I like these guys way more. That's my initial impressions of those, and my initial impression of these. So let's just kind of drape those like that. All right, so last item are obviously helmets. One for me, one for Julie. They're both the same model, they're both the same size, and they're HJC, which I've always had luck with in terms of sizing. Standard packaging, got some bubble wrap, helmet bag. Hello? I think my house is haunted. All right, so here we go. HJC, I don't even know what the, CL17. Glossy black, as you'll see. If I can figure out how to open this Houdini bag. Alright, there we go. Wow, I like that already. Alright, so glossy black. Glossy black was not my first choice, but there's two reasons why I ended up going with it. Number one, durability, for lack of a better word. My previous helmets were matte black, and those quickly got beat up. Every little smudge, every little scratch, everything showed up on those things. They looked quite beat up after a short period of time. That was kind of disappointing, and I sort of knew that going into it, but I just wanted to see for myself. And then the other, much more important reason I went with glossy black is for visibility. It's gonna be much more visible because of the finish. It's not a crazy difference, but just every little bit helps, you know? Another huge thing that I like about this model is that compared to my previous model, the visor had, is it locked? I guess so. It had a locking mechanism or snapping mechanism right in the middle of this big black knob, and it took me forever to get used to that because I'd be riding and you'd have this like black freaking thing like right in the middle of your eyesight, right in the middle of your vision. I got used to it, but it was, you could still see it, and it just was freaking annoying. It was such a stupid dumb design. Thankfully, this does not have that. These controls for your airflow feel really good, and they're gonna be easy to find with gloves on. The last thing I like about this helmet visually is this right here, this color. On my previous HJC helmets, this was like a blue, and I didn't really think much of it, didn't really care, but now that I'm seeing that this is gray, I just like the gray better. Overall, I like this helmet better. Here's the moment of truth. Feels snug, but not like it's crushing me. It seems like it's a good fit. Yeah, I think we're good. I go through this with my new helmets every single time. There you go, the HJC CL17. Yeah, it's nice. I like it. Yeah, this is my new motorcycle haul. So I think that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. We will catch you guys soon. Fix the couch on that one.